There is an unknown hill station next to Indore, hidden away from the buzz of a city life. This is the birthplace of Lord Parashurama, the Avatara of Lord Vishnu. Welcome back to the Dashavatara temple series. Today, we journey to a sacred hill station in Madhya Pradesh, originally accepted as the birthplace of Lord Parashurama. Long before Lord Parashurama's Avatara, Janapav was already a place of extraordinary spiritual power. Sage Jamadagni, one of the Sapta Rishis, chose this hill for his ashrama. His wife, Renuka Devi, known for her purity and yogic discipline, assisted him in every ritual. Every morning, Renuka Devi walked through the forest, collecting water in an unbaked clay pot, a feat possible only through her divine strength. Jamadagni performed yajnas and meditated deeply, filling the hill with sacred vibrations. When their tapasya reached completion, it is said that a divine light descended upon the hill. From this light, a child was born, glowing like fire, grave like a mountain, and powerful like a storm. This child was Parashurama, an Avatara who carried both the spiritual brilliance of a sage and the warrior strength to uphold dharma. Parashurama spent his early years in this serene ashrama, surrounded by forest and silence. Here, Jamadagni taught him the Vedas, sacred rituals, the science of weapons, archery, meditation, and the laws of dharma. From childhood, his discipline was extraordinary. He could meditate for hours, shoot arrows with absolute accuracy, and perform yajnas with absolute focus. According to Sthala Purana, Parashurama performed severe tapasya on this hill. Pleased with his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared and granted him the divine axe. From that moment, he became Parashurama. The peaceful life at Janapav changed when the mighty and arrogant King Kartyavirya, proud of his 1,000 arms and unmatched strength, arrived at the hermitage of Jamadagni Rishi. Blinded by ego, he insulted and killed Jamadagni Rishi unjustly. When Parashurama returned and saw the injustice, he stood atop Janapav Hill and took a vow to kill adharmi Kshatriyas. He killed clans of Kshatriyas 21 times to re-establish the principles of dharma. The sacred hill is the home to various rivers, including Chambal, caves surrounding the hill where meditation spots of ancient rishis, healing herbs continue to grow here, believed to be blessed by Renuka Devi herself. Even today, the serenity of Janapav carries an ancient, powerful energy, as if Parashurama's tapasya still resonates through its soil. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, nature lover, or a curious traveler, Janapav is a remarkable place to visit. If you like this temple, like the video, share it with fellow devotees, and subscribe for more Dashavatara temple videos.